अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो आज हम लोग पिंक इन सॉल्ट माइंस के बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं। तो देखिए, द खारा सॉल्ट माउंट a national treasure. The Khara salt mine is not just a mine; it's a historical, geological, and tourist marvel location where Khara, Jhelum district, Punjab, Pakistan range. It's catches in the foothills of salt range, which is a mineral-rich mountain range in the Punjab province. Distance about 70 km and 10 miles from Islamabad and 260 km to 160 miles from Lahore. Why is that salt pink? That distinctive pink, red and orange hue of the salt come from trace mineral embedded within the crystal structure. The most significant of these is iron oxide rust, which gives the salt its rosy color. Other minerals include potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals are also why it's often marketed as being more mineral rich than regular table salt. Key feature: the Khara salt mine is a major tourist destination, known for its stunning underground wide history and scale. Second largest in the world, it is often cited as the world's second largest salt mine after the Goderich salt mine in Canada. Ancient discovery legend claims it was discovered by the horses of Alexander the Great army around 320 BC when they were seen licking the rock. However, it was as commercially during the Mughal era. Extensive, the mine has over 40 km, 25 miles of tunnels spread over 11 levels. The total estimated deposit is a staggering 220 million tons. Architectural wonder: Bajan Powell Tunnel, a long, brightly lit tunnel named after the founder of the Boy Scout, Salt Mosque. But Shal Masjid, a beautiful mosque built entirely from salt bricks inside the mine. Miniature landmarks reflects of iconic structure like the Great Wall of China, the Pul Sarat, a salt bridge, and the Shimla Peak, all carved from rock salt, health research, heliotherapy. The mind microclimate is believed to have therapeutic benefit, especially for people with with tiny salt particles. The salt processing. The salt is extracted using the room and pillar method, where large rooms are carved out, leaving massive salt to support the mountain above. The salt is then crushed, washed, and processed into everything from fine culinary salt to large decorative lamps, bricks, and sculptures. Artificial visiting the Khara salt mine. How to get there? The most common way is to hire a car or take a bus from Ahmedabad or Lahore. Inside the mine, visitors travel deep in the mine on a small electric train. The paths are well lit and safe. What to see? Expect to see stunning salt information, the artificial reflect and pools of brine. You can and also purchase salt product directly from vendor inside. Best time to visit. The mine has a constant and cool temperature air surround, making it a great escape from the summer heat. It's open to visitors throughout the year. Summary table, feature description. Official name Khara Salt Mine. Location Khara, Jhelum District, Punjab, Pakistan. Famous for Himalayan and pink salt. Color cause trace mineral, primarily iron oxide, rust status as world and second largest salt mine. Key attraction Salt Mosque. So, miniature landmarks are electric train, rise, brine pool. Main export edible pink salt, lamps, bath salt, sculptures. और अब बताएगा मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, अब आपको कैसी लगी। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी तो आप मेरे वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना। इसलिए आज के लिए बाय बाय। और आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा।